Must be crazy trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away on only you, girl.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl O. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you. It's free to subscribe, so if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe right now or on your way out of this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing a unit that I am extremely excited about. This wig is from myfirstwig.com. I will link all their information in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig, because you definitely want to check it out. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know I have been on the hunt for the perfect middle part bob, and sis, she it. So if you guys want to see a beginner-friendly tutorial of how I styled this unit, as well as learn more details in my overall opinion about this wig, then stay tuned. So I really appreciate how My First Wigs packages their units. They come packaged exceptionally well. I also appreciate how it comes with an identification card with the exact item number that you purchase and all the details about your unit, as well as pre-bleached knots. Yes, pre-bleached knots. And it also comes pre-plucked. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a sewed-in elastic band. You cannot ask for more. So right now I'm going into the styling process. I'm aligning the wig to my hairline so I know exactly where to cut the ear tabs. When cutting the ear tabs on your lace frontal, you want to make sure you're cutting it exactly to match your hairline. You don't want to cut too little, and you definitely don't want to cut too much. So I'm showing you exactly how I do it. And with this particular unit, which is a circumference of 22.5 to 23 inches, which fit my hairline really well. So I didn't have to cut off too much, as you guys can see. So I'm using a little bit of mousse to get any flyaways out of the way, because we're getting ready to get to work at adhering this unit to our hairline. Before I use any adhesive, I definitely make sure everything is lined up well, and I cut off any excess lace that would be in my way so I can really get in there. The adhesive that I'm using is my Got to Be Glued spray, because I wanted to do a easy beginner friendly method, which is of course a glueless method. So this method is foolproof, and when I use this method, my lace wig stays on for 2 to 4 days unless I decide to take it off with water. So all you need to do is spray the Got to Be Glued spray over your hairline while the wig is placed on your head, as you guys can see, and use your blow dryer to help reinforce the spray to adhere everything down. For extra security, I like to use my Got to Be Glued gel right on my sideburn area. That helps it stick and lay down way better than the spray does. And I only like to use that on my sideburn area because that area is the area that tends to lift first. I like to tie down my hair for 5 to 10 minutes. That just secures everything in place and locks in that adhesive so that everything is meshed and melted. But I'm going to show you how to melt it even more after this. First off, do you guys see that melt? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so right now, this is the part where you really need to be extremely careful. Use some shears that you're comfortable with because as you can see, we're getting in there and cutting off that excess lace. This method is my favorite when you want a precise mesh, just melted hairline, but you have to be extremely careful. Take your time and work in sections to get that excess lace. This method is so perfect for beginners because it helps you get as close to your hairline as possible, and it helps you create a hairline with nice dips and curves, which looks extremely realistic. Once you get the hairline to your liking, grab your Got to Be Glued freeze spray and spray it one last time, and this melts it into your hairline. Yes, do you see that? Yes, yes, yes. Lace melted. What lace? That lace? No lace? Yes. So here's a couple tips. Go ahead and grab your foundation and further blend everything into your hairline. Add a little bit on the parting space to make it pop and to camouflage the knots. I'm going in with my pressing comb to flatten everything out and further melt everything together. It helps your wig lay super flat and it makes it look way more realistic. So definitely invest in a good hot comb because it works wonders with wigs, frontals, and closures. Now for the final thoughts and information on this wig. This is MFB005. I have it in a Yaki texture. It is 10 inches long. Although you see it styled in a middle part and it does come with a defined middle part, as you've seen in the beginning, it has plenty of lace for you to part it in multiple ways. So it does have more options than just being worn in the middle part. I didn't hardly get any shedding, and the wig fit my head so perfectly. It didn't have any smell. The shipping was amazing. I am absolutely in love with this wig. The density is perfect. I'm getting endless compliments. You guys see how flowy this hair is? So many people have been complimenting me, telling me that it looks so natural and it looks like my natural hair. With all that being said, I want to know you guys' thoughts. How do you feel about this wig? I'm in love. Thank you so much to My First Wigs for sending me this unit. I'll have all their information down below. Check out the links in my description box. Until next time, you guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Love ya.